Hello and welcome to another Retrofit vlog. This is Gary Q from the Retrofit Shop, and today we are doing a 2018 Ford Everest Standard Titanium. If you have the Ford Ranger XLT or Wildtrak, you will have the same headlights. So this might be an interesting upgrade for you. Let's do it! So, ang mga gagawin dito, we will be upgrading from halogen to a bixenon HID projector. We will be going from an output na ganito, which is the stock, to this, producing more than 3 times effective lighting output. So, aside from the projector upgrade, kakabitan din namin ito ng daytime running lights. OEM style siya, ito nakakabit yun sa bottom part ng headlight. It will function as a PRL and also as spark light. And yung ikakabit namin na set will also have sequential turn signal. So, mas maporma siya. So, I'll see you in a bit after the retrofit and you will see the big jump in lighting performance. And of course, mas maporma yung headlights. We are now done with the retrofit. So, ayan na yung new bixenon projectors. You can see our logo there. That's our Hella TRS 3-inch HID projectors. And yan yung new na DRL. So you'll see na parang original pa rin siya. Para siyang headlight ng titanium premium. But yung output nitong headlight na to is much better. So that's our upgrade for this Ford Everest. As you can see, na-improve yung form and function ng headlights. Sa function, 3 times more effective lighting output with the projectors that we installed. And sa form naman, we added the OEM spec or OEM type na daytime running lights. So aside from this, marami pang option if you have the standard titanium na Everest or the XLT or Wildtrak na Ranger. We have projectors for the fogs in LED or HID version. As you can see here in this picture, we've installed more than 50 sets of this GT fog projectors. We have this for the Ford Everest and also for the Ford Ranger. And another option for better form, we have the Mustang Tri-Bar. We introduced this way back 2016, and this is our newest version. You can see it here, the profile ng tri-bar is the same as the profile ng L-shaped na daytime running light. So it looks also original. You can also get this to go with the projector upgrade for the low beams. It will function as a daytime running lights, and yung turn signal nito is also sequential. We also offer LED projectors for high beam. So if you want 2 projectors on each headlight, we can do a full LED projector retrofit on your headlight. So you will have 2 projectors on the headlights, pareho siyang bi-beam, meaning may low beam at saka may high beam. On low beams, dalawa na yung naka-on bale. This setup will give you the maximum output in terms of length and width. And if you do it together with the fogs, this is the ultimate upgrade for the Everest and the Ford Ranger. Check out some of the projects we've done for the Ford Everest and the Ford Ranger. For those living outside of Manila, we can offer complete headlight sets. So if you're interested, just Viber us or send us a direct message. At the end of the video, you will see our contact details. And we accept most type of online payments, GCash, bank transfer, just send us a message via Viber or even WhatsApp. The complete headlight set that you will receive is ready for plug-and-play installation. If you're living in Manila or if you can come to the shop, then you can schedule a retrofit with us. Normally, these projects are done in 1 day. Thank you for joining me in this video. This is Gary Q. I'll see you in the next.